Nikwakusiiwa uneenania muvyu na muvituukano wa ndeto mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masaku ivinda ila MCA mbungeni meuneenania cia livoti ya kuvetaana kukwanwa amwe MCA nzamani si kivathukan'yo cia mbunge. MCA ala mate ukwata mbao maundu ma uthukumi wa serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku ni mavetwa nangi kuthamiwa ta amemba komitini si kivathukan'yo amwe mevetangwa ni MCA wa Kalama Boniface Maeke na Grace Bahati wa Kyeleni Matungulu. Daniel Mongela ena mauvo.
Nikwakusiiwa mwelevano wa ndeto mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masaku kavindani Kalama MCA mbungeni umeonenania cia yolwa livoti ya kuvetamu MCAs kuma komitini cia kivathukan'yo cia mbunge ino.
Information, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, please guard me. I don't want to be informed. I sat with the DS in the same committee. I gave the same information. And then,
Honorable Douglas.
Madam Speaker, please guard me. I don't want to be informed.
Information, Madam Speaker.
At the mercy.
Information.
Just a minute, Madam Speaker. Let me just say this. Let me just say this, members. And please, members, let us learn to be tolerant. This is not an issue of life and death. You will still have your time. Madam
We
Speaker.
just want you to...
Kati wala makunika muno ni evo MCA wa Kalama Boniface Maeke na ula wa Kyeleni Grace Bahati na ala ivinda kuthila ingi methi tumaikosea uthukumi wa uvonge wa utongo ikauntini ino.
In the Committee of Social Welfare and Sports, the Honorable Phoebe Koki was substituted by the Honorable Constant Mbula. The Committee of Lands and Energy, the Honorable Daniel Mwindi was substituted with the Honorable Vincent Mutie. The Committee of Devolution and Intergovernmental Relations, the Honorable Constant Mbula was substituted with the Honorable Phoebe Koki. In the Committee of Delegated Legislation, the Honorable Boniface Maeke was substituted with the Honorable Stephen Muwandu.
Ni tambia ila ya kosoa vanene ni ndikivuva MCA molote na chama chao ipo mbungeni no akaunti ya Masaku Francis Ngunga ondumwana Douglas Musyoka alama elesekana ivathukan'yo cia kielete ulikuwa mbungeni na MCA kuthama kwa kuma komitini tanzi emwe ya kumonuva.
We are setting a bad president as a house. We are going to differ, and politics, we must learn from the national politics. Month, Raila was not speaking with the sitting president. Today they are buddies. Today we are differing, and we are differing on issues. Tomorrow we may be buddies. As you make enemies and as you make friends, choose right. Today it's Boniface Maeke. Tomorrow it will be somebody else.
Thank you.
I'm not a prophet of doom, but it is going to happen very soon.
Members who are elected work through committees. When a member is discharged from committees and is left with one committee, how is he going to discharge his mandate in this house? How is that member going to discharge his mandate? You know, Madam Speaker, the wrong thing here is we cannot use the issue of committees to punish political differences. That is a bad thing. It is a bad trend. And I want to say this, members.
Point of information, Madam Speaker.
I want to say these members as I plead.
Please,
Members, I want to say this as I plead. Today it might be you in the right books. Tomorrow is going to be somebody else.
Honorable
Please, use the knife that you have.
Point of information, Madam Speaker.
Some seats to Honorable Maeke. And in their wisdom, we have taken those seats. But I want to plead with the majority leader and the DS. Use natural justice. We should not some of us should not be in 7 committees, and we leave Maeke with 1. In our wisdom, why party?
Yes. Madam Speaker, because it is clear that I was not able to kowtow in some people's pohu, I want to say that I'm not going to kowtow, I'm not going to bow to anyone, I'm going to do my oversight role, and I'm going to be there.
Yuka ivinani la kuendea na kuhusiwa mwaniko kati wa MCA mbungeni no akaunti ya Masaku aingimo wa mahitula uvonge wa utongo inundu ulikila uthukumi wa mbunge ya akaunti ino maelesekana kuvetwa komitini zinzia imwe ya kumathilicha na kumakuna kivuko alamethi tumailunga muno uthukumi wa akaunti ya Masaku. Daniel Mongela, Mutungu TV, kumava mbungeni ya akaunti ya Masaku.